Get ready for an unforgettable adventure with the Joyful Roadtrip Activity Book, Yellowstone Edition. Explore the captivating world of Yellowstone, where mesmerizing features await at every turn. From the majestic Snake River to the awe-inspiring Grand Teton and the iconic Old Faithful Geyser, this book is your ticket to discovering the park's natural wonders. But that's not all. Inside this exciting Yellowstone National Park Road Trip Activity Book, you'll find a trove of games and puzzles that'll keep young minds entertained for hours. Challenge yourself with entertaining word searches, decode fascinating cryptograms, and navigate thrilling mazes. Don't miss out, grab your copy now and embark on a journey through Yellowstone like never before.